Hello, let us learn the meaning of simultaneous equation. So whenever you come across this statement, the simultaneous equation, this is what it means. A simultaneous equation is any given set of two equations having two unknowns, for example, x and y, or perhaps a and b, where the two unknown variables have the same value in the two equations. Let's put that down. A simultaneous equation is a set of two equations having two unknown variables like x and y, such that the values of x and y in both equations are the same. So what this means is that you have two equations having two unknowns, such as the x and the y, and the values of x and y in both equations are the same. Now let's look at the types of simultaneous equations we have. Types of simultaneous equations. So we have one known as the simultaneous linear equation. Now, when we say a set of two equations is simultaneous linear equation, it looks like this. When you have something like x minus 2y equals minus 3. And this being our equation 1. And then in the second equation, you have 2x plus 3y equals 12 as equation 2. In this type of equations like this, we call them the simultaneous linear equation. And if you solve it, you will find that the value of x and y in both equations are the same. And then for the second type of simultaneous equation, it is known as the simultaneous non-linear equation. And for the simultaneous non-linear equation, it looks like this. You could have x squared plus y squared equals 25. And then x plus y equals 7. Now, in this type of equation, you see that the first line of the equation, that is our equation 1, we have x having a power of 2 and y also having a power of 2. This is known as a quadratic equation. So this set of two equations, we have one quadratic, one linear. Our equation 2 is the linear part. So this equation is known as the simultaneous non-linear equation. And in order to solve simultaneous equation, there are three major methods. So methods of solving simultaneous equation. So we have the first method known as the substitution method. The substitution method. The method 2 is known as the elimination method. And then method 3 is known as the graphical method. Now, do note that there are other methods to solve simultaneous equation, especially when you are dealing with complex questions. However, we are going to be focusing on these 3 methods. But for this week 5, we will be doing simultaneous and elimination method. I hope that by now you know the meaning of simultaneous equation. Thank you.